Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Portable Digital Magnifier. So it does come with instructions. We have a cleaning cloth. Looks like it actually comes with a little velvet bag. And here it is. So it says that is a 5-inch. Got some navigation buttons here on the front. Got a couple here on the bottom. This looks like picture and playback. On the top we got TV out, USB-C. We got a spot for a TF card, power switch, and it looks like we got a hinge on the right. That's interesting. So that is for this little kickstand. Then we got our sensor here on the back. And it looks like our battery compartment, and it also comes with, so this is nice, this is a full-on lithium-ion rechargeable 3.7 volt battery, but it is easily replaceable, so that's handy. And it looks like we do have LED lights there on the back as well, so we can light up whatever we're putting this on. So in the event that we want to just drop this onto a sheet of paper or something like that, we can do that, and it's not going to be blocking all the light. We have a 3.5 to RCA connector, so if we want to, we can connect that to our TV out port, and then we can plug that into our TV. We also have a tether, and we got our charging cable that is USB-A to USB-C. Go ahead and turn this guy on. That's nice. So it definitely has a large screen on it. And we can see on the bottom we are currently in 4x mode. And we can see on the back we do have our LEDs running. So go ahead and place this on something, and there we go. So that is doing a very good job of magnifying. So we'll zoom in by 8, by 16, 24, 32, and back to by 4. So it can zoom up to 32 times. So that is nice. So in the event that we want to get real in there, we can do that with this guy. You can also change color mode. Yeah, so we can see a lot of the background went away. We can actually change. That's nice. So if you're working night shift, you don't want to have that bright white light just like blasting your eyes. We can do that. Black on green, green on black, red, yellow. Wow, a whole lot of options. Neat. So that way you can use whatever is most accommodating to your eyes. So this button right here, this is the pause button. So if we hit that, we can pick that up. So if we want to go show somebody what we saw, we can do that. We can just use this kind of like a little camera. We can take a picture. Well, if we had a card, we could take a picture, and then we could play back with this button. No card, not a big deal. For me, that's not going to be a problem. I'm just going to use this as a magnifier. But it is nice to know that if you wanted to store those images, you have the capacity to do that with this. Look at that. You can actually see the DPI on those pictures. That's neat. Very cool. Just in case how you wanted to see what the gradient actually looked like up close. So working in a newspaper, one of the things we have to keep in mind is registration. So the plates, they come out with the blue, red, yellow, and black, and then we have to layer them on top of each other. So we have to make sure that everything is properly lined up. But that is something that we can see with this that would be much harder to see without it. Awesome. Yeah, pretty cool. And that is just with the 4X. So if we zoom in, we can see that much higher. So about 2 dots to the right. Awesome. So for aligning anything that's very fine, that's difficult to see with the eye, that is going to be a very useful tool.